Welcome to my today's online class. I am Shaheen Ahmed Khan, Senior Teacher English, St. Gregory's High School and College, Dhaka. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 5 or English first paper, Unit 10, Part 2. In this part, I will show more exercises on Unit 10. This is an exercise on WH questions. Here I will show you 10 sentences, and in these 10 sentences there will be some underlined words, and from those underlined words you are to make WH questions. Let us talk about the questions and answers one by one. Question number 1. There are 13 upazilas in Kishoreganj district. Underlined word is 13. The answer will be, how many upazilas are there in Kishoreganj district? Question number 2. People come to Sholakia to celebrate Eid. Underlined words are to celebrate Eid. Answer will be, why do people come to Sholakia? Question number 3. The area of Kishoreganj municipality is about 10 square kilometer. Underlined words are about 10 square kilometer. Answer will be, what is the area of Kishoreganj municipality? Question number 4. The river Norosunda flows through the town. Underlined words are the river Norosunda. Answer will be, what flows through the town? Question number 5. It is a district headquarters. Underlined words are a district headquarters. Answer will be, what is it? Question number 6. Sholakia Eid ground is the largest Eid fairground. Underlined words are Sholakia Eid ground. Answer will be, which is the largest Eid fairground? Question number 7. The government Guru Dayal College is in Kishoreganj district. Underlined words are in Kishoreganj district. Correct answer will be, where is the government Guru Dayal College? Question number 8. Chandravati was the first woman poet of Bangla literature. Underlined word is Chandravati. Correct answer will be, who was the first woman poet of Bangla literature? Question number 9. Sukumar Roy is a writer of children literature. Underlined words are Sukumar Roy. Correct answer will be, who is a writer of children literature? Question number 10. The great painter Joinul Abedin comes from Kishoreganj. Correct answer will be, underlined words are the great painter Joinul Abedin. Correct answer will be, who comes from Kishoreganj? This is an exercise on rearrangements of sentences or words. In this question, there will be some letters, and from those letters you have to make a sensible word, or there will be some words, from those words you have to make a sensible sentence. Let us talk about questions and answers. In question number 1, we see there are some letters, and from these letters you can write a word which is municipality. In question number 2, Also we see some words. From these words you can write a word which is district. In question number 3, here we see some words, and from these words you can make a sentence, and the sentence is, it is a district headquarters. Question number 4, here also we see some words, and from these words you can write a sentence, the river Narasunda flows through the town. In question number 5, here also we see some words, and from these words we can write a sentence, there are many important places in Kishoreganj. In question number 6, we see some words, and from these words we can write a sentence. The sentence may be, the Pagla Mosque is also in my home district. In question number 7, we see some words, and from these words we can write a sentence, and the sentence may be, Chandravati was the first woman poet of Bangla literature. In question number 8, here we see some words, and from these words we can write a sentence, and the sentence may be, Shukumar Roy was born in Kishoreganj. In question number 9, also we see some words, and from these words we can write a sentence, and the sentence may be, Kishoreganj is a small town. And in question number 10 also we see some words, and from these words we can make a sentence, and the sentence may be, people come to Sholakia to celebrate Eid. This is an exercise on matching. Here you see there are two columns, columns A and column B. In column A there are 5 words, and in column B there are 7 answers of these words. Your duty will be to match the meanings from the boxes. I am giving you time so that you can write your answers in your CW copy, and later I will show you the answers so that you can check your answers. So start writing your answers in your CW copy, and I am giving you time for it. I hope by this time you have written your answers. Let us talk about the answers one by one, and look at the answers, and in this way you are to write. you write A plus 3, the word landlord, and is equal to a person who owns vast property including lands. So you have to write serial numbers and words also. So in number B, we see B plus 5 important is, and the meaning is having value or significance. C plus 7 celebrate, and its meaning is to show that a day or an event event is important by doing something special on it. In D we see D plus 1 fort, and fort means a building to say prayers. In question number E, it will be E plus 4 temple, means a Hindu prayer house. That's the end of today's class. I hope you have enjoyed and understood today's class. Wish your best of luck. Thank you very much for watching my today's class. See you later.